Hi guys, so today we are live for paste special function, all the options of paste special function. Let me call on WhatsApp group. I'm just waiting for WhatsApp group. Just a minute. We'll start session in 3 minutes. Hi guys. Hello. Yeah, I'm on a live session in YouTube. So along with that, I made this WhatsApp call. So just a minute. I'm sharing my screen. Hope you have joined the YouTube channel. So guys, this is our yeah. You can mute unless you have any query. You can mute your mic here. Yeah, guys, you can mute your mic unless you have any query. Good morning, sir. Yeah, good morning. Yeah, just requesting to mute your mic unless you have any query. Thank you. Yeah, I just request to mute your mic unless you have any query. So I'm live. We are live on your YouTube group, YouTube channel for today's session of paste special. So guys, this is our data, and today we have topic of paste special function. So in paste special function, we have multiple options. I will show you like these all. I have written all the points. So you can see if we copy any data and this is control C, and if we paste it as control V, so it pastes everything. Means coloring, formatting, number format, numbers, data, everything, formula, everything. But other than this, if you want to copy only some particular information or particular kind of data, so what you can do for that, we have option of paste special. So for that you can copy, and where you want to paste, you can either you can use control alt V. With that shortcut you can get this dialog box of paste special where we have multiple options, and you can go to there is paste options, paste special, open this, then click on this paste special. This dialog box will come there as well. So you can see there we have multiple options. First is all. So this is our default option. Like means I copied the control C data with control C and pasted as control V. So it is default all. But other than this, we have multiple options. First is formula. So if I am using control C for this whole data, and here pasting only formulas. So what will happen? See, copy. This is pasting only data and formulas. You can see, not formatting. Along with data, this is pasting formulas as well. Other than this, if we are copying data and pasting here with values, so see, here we have formula on this column, this one, where d2 multiplied by 1 minus e2 and 100. This is formula there, and here also in total sales, there we have formula. So if I am pasting here as values, so you can see this is, means this is pasting all the data without formatting, but where we had formula in total sales, there it pasted as a value. So what is the difference in both? You can see this is pasted as values, and here I'm pasting as formulas. So you can see, if this is with formulas, so see here, for total sales there is formula. If I am changing any unit price or unit sold, so all the formulas are auto updating, values are auto updating with formulas. But in this case it is pasted as values, so there is no formula. So if I am changing this value, it is not changing the total sales or net sales. This is the difference in pasting as values and pasted as formulas. Now we have other. I'm copying this data and using the third, formats. So in formats, it will not copy any data, it will just copy the formatting like coloring, bordering, and everything else, but not copying any formula or any data. Now we are using the next option, comments and notes. So comments and notes, if you will have any comment and not any in any cell, so it will give you there, else it will do nothing. So like this, if I want to add any note or comment, I have added one comment here, and I want to copy this and pasting here as comments and notes. So you can see on this same cell, same comment is coming. Whatever comment or note you have, it is coming here. Not any data, not any formula, or not formatting, just only comment. Now validations. So validations means data validations. If you have put it any validation like here, I am using data validation. It should be a number, whole number between 10 to 100. So you can see if I am trying to 101, it is not accepting it. So now if I copy this data and paste here as data validations, so only data validations is copied, nothing else. You can see if I am using here 102, so it is not accepting. Other than data validation, nothing is copied. Next option is all using source theme. I will explain it later because it is for two different sheets. So let's move to another one, all except borders. So as per the name, you can understand that border will not be copied, but everything else will be copied. Like you can see, border is not coming there, but formula, data, and data validations, everything is coming there. Next is column width. So like you have column width this and want to make same width of these columns. So just here you can see currently the width of this column is this, and if I use this, you can see the changes in width of column I, J. Okay. Other than this, next option is formulas and number formats. So if you use this, see what happen. Only formulas, data, and number formats. Means if you have any specific number format, so it will be copied as well. You can see number formatting is also coming there. Next option is values and number formats. Means here you will not get the formulas, but only values and number formats. Formulas will be changed to hard coded numbers like this. Here we have formula, but in the pasted data we have values only with number formatting. Next one is, this is currently not enabled. I will explain you along with this, all using source theme. So next we have operations. In operations, we have options none, add, subtract, multiply, and divide, all the mathematical calculation. So for example, you have data here. This is your unit sold, and you want to add 5 in these all units sold for apple, banana, or and mango. You want to add 5. So if you want to add 5, what you have to do, either you have to enter manually, or you have to use any formula in a helper column and then use here. But instead of that, you can use paste special as well. So for that, what you can do, you can write 5 here, just copy this 5 and then go to there, select your data where you want to add this 5, open your paste special dialog box, select the add and click on OK. So you can see here it is 50, 30, 20, and 40. Use it. OK. You can see 5 is added in all. 55, 35, 25, 45. So this is added in values. Means here we had values 50, 30, 20, and 45. These were values. But what happens when we use it with formulas? So just try it again. Copy, and now this time we are using it with formula. So see, here we have formula B2 into C2. So now I am using add again. Copied this cell using add, pressing OK. So you can see what happened in formula. Formula is auto chain, and there is plus 5. It is added on self with formula. Same will happen in other formulas as well if we are trying to this do it with this formula. So you can see the formula now. It is adjusted with plus 5. So means this calculation works with hard coded data and formulas as well. And with this you can use everything like mathematical, like add, subtract, multiply and divide. These all options are there: add, subtract, multiply and divide. Whatever you want to do, you can use it there. Now about these specific functions: skip blanks and transpose. So if you have data here, if you have this data and for example you want to paste it here, so if you copy this data and paste here, so everything will be pasted. But if you have some blank cells in this data, in your range of data you have some blank cells, and you want to copy only those cells which have data. You want to skip blank cells, so you can select the complete range and want to paste here, but you want to keep all these cells same where we have data against blank cells. So you can use skip blanks. So you can see what will happen: only data will be changed for those cells where we have data in our copied cells. Where it is blank, these values will not impact here. You can see the second and third value is same, while first and fourth value is changed because we don't have data in second and third value cell of copied data. So with skip blank, we can use this function to ignore the blank cells. Now we have other option, transpose. So what happens with transpose? Transpose column to row and row to column. You can see if I'm using with all transpose, so you can see now I have these headers here in row and these in columns. This data is transposed. Rows becomes column and column becomes rows. Other than this, one option is there as paste link. So with paste link, you can see here this formula is used. This equal to a1, this equal to b1, like that. So if you are making any change here, it will be updated in your pasted data as well. With paste link, it just makes some formula like this: equal to a1, equal to b1, equal to c. So it is nothing extra than this. Now let's come back to our remaining options here, all using source theme and all merging conditional formatting. So first let we will cover the merging conditional formatting. So because I don't have any conditional formatting in this, so that's why when I am copying this data and pasting here, it is disabled. This option is disabled. But when I will have any conditional formatting like this, highlight less than 45, so it is highlighting this. So this is conditional formatting now. Now I am copying this, and if I use the paste special dialog box, so you can see this option is enabled now because I have conditional formatting in my copied data. So if I choose it here and paste it, so you can see the complete data is pasted with conditional formatting. If I change it to 50, it is not colored. Got it? Now only one option is remaining. So for that I am opening another Excel sheet, and you can see if I copy this data and use paste special, so it is showing all using source theme. So what is the source theme? You can see page layout, there is themes. So here we have multiple themes. You can see current theme, this is office, and for example if I am using source theme for this sheet, Instead of office, I am using this one or this one, banded. So if first of all I am pasting here, all using source theme. So you can see the formatting and this formatting or text. Let's change the source theme. So you can see if I paste this data as values first here, then using the color to this color to this, and you can see the number formatting as well. This is different. So if I write anything here, so it is in this format. If I copy this data, paste here as values or formulas, so values, so you can see the formatting is same. But if I paste it here using source theme, so what it will do, it will copy the theme of source, means copy the theme of that sheet from where we are copying the data. So now it will come in same format. You can see it is in same format our original sheet. But for means it has changed this formatting as well and the theme for the sheet. So if you have any query in this, you can ask. If you have any query related to any function of this paste display option, you can ask. Thank you. So if you don't have any query, we are going to end this session and we'll plan another session later. Thank you.